we are going to do, right? The first one is a Python programming. You don't need to worry about GCSE, but this format is based on GCSE format anyway. But so even if you are not preparing for GCSE, it's also good for you as well anyway. So Python programming, so 5 to 6, right? From 8:13 to 16. Of course, 18 can join. And if you are 10-year-old above, you can join. But I will advise that you ensure that your parents are there to guide you through anyway. Then that is from 5 to 6. From 6 to 6:30, we're going to do the website design with AI, right? And then after that, the Scratch is going to be from 6:30 to 7 o'clock. Okay, that is what we are going to do. And this program is Sundays, yeah, from 5 to 7 altogether. Okay, every Sunday. Okay, and it's going for this one, it's going to be 4 lessons, right? Then we'll then continue for the next cycle. Okay, any question? Okay, so okay, someone is asking what app are we using for the Python? Yeah, I said is Feature Coder, right? Which you would be able to start from next week anyway. Yeah, so okay. And okay, we have some people raising their hands. Victor?
Oh, sorry. I forgot to lower my hand.
Okay, all right. Amalola? Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Oh, sorry. Yeah, so my last question for today is just to get understanding of what we are doing. So the Python programming is coding for the older ones.
That's right.
Then the JavaScript coding for kids are for the younger ages.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Thank you so much for today.
No problem. Okay, Zitel? Zitel. Okay. Okay, since Soko. Sorry, apologies. I don't know how to pronounce that. Yeah. Okay. And on that note, we're going to call it a wrap. Thank you so much, everyone that attended this session today. So I would see you next week. Please ensure that you, invite your friends and family members. And also on the charts, please ensure that you subscribe to that YouTube. And as well, like I said, I would send invite out for next week to everybody. So, but please ensure that you are on the PT Coda Telegram chat, okay? Yeah, if you are not there, please ensure that you get yourself in the Telegram chat. So, which I'm going to put on the chat as well. Anyway, so PT Coda Telegram channel. So please ensure that you are there so that I will be able to send information to you from there. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks, Joshua, for helping out today as well. Anyway, okay. I will see you guys next week. Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, wait, no.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.